Today we're making hash browns.
We are making hash browns, but these are homemade hash browns. We make this at any time, breakfast, lunch or dinner. We love hash browns because these ones are different to the usual ones. The ones you get from like fast food places are full of oil and they've been fried, and that oil's been used over and over again. So this is a great recipe for you to make at home for the kids and for yourself without all that yucky stuff in it.
Yeah.
Now, I make a sauce to go. This is just the potatoes, and that's about 4 potatoes, and they're just being grated. And yeah, cashews. So can you pass me the cashews?
I love cashews. I really want to put them in.
Okay, there you go. So the cashews are what we make the sauce with. And what else have we got there? We've got onions, but we're not going to put the onions in the bowl. The onions will go in with the potatoes. Here I've got garlic powder, onion powder, and some vegetable stock, just vegetable powder. Okay, and I'll put that in there.
I'll put this in.
Okay, so we just need the water, and we'll just blend that until it's smooth. You might need to blend for a while.
I'll put this in there.
The onions and the potato, just a second. Okay, so what we did is we just blended the sauce, which with the cashews and the water and the herbs. Whoa, don't want to get that all over me. And Moses, can you put the onions? We've just got 1/4 of an onion, or however much onion you want. 1/2 an onion, 1/4 of onion. I love the onions in it. And then we put the sauce on top. It's very thick, so we'll, oh, are you okay?
Okay.
Oh, sorry, did I get you?
Singing from the...
Oh, from the onion. Oh, okay. Now, can you mix that through?
Mix it.
Yeah, mix, mix, mix until all that sauce goes through the potato. And then we're going to spread it thinly. So once you spread it thinly on a tray...
Oh, can I spread it?
Yeah, you can help me spread it.
I want to spread it.
Okay, spread it thin.
Like that.
So now we're going to put this in the oven at 200 degrees. We're going to cook it until it's brown, just a golden brown, dry tinge on the top. The thinner you do it, probably the better. Okay, thank you, Moses. Thank you. You're getting my hand.
I want to help. I want to do it.
Thank you. Okay, let's put this in the oven. So there you go. That's what it looks like.
Pie.
It does.
Mushroom and potato pie.
So our hash browns are ready. And it looks awesome. Look how crispy it is looking. Oh, wow. I just can't wait to try this. But I'm actually going to just put it on the kids' plate because as a snack or as for lunch, because it is actually quite filling because it's potato. And there you have it, your hash browns. You can have it for breakfast with your beans. The kids love some baked beans on the side of this with their hash brown. Try it. Let us know what you think. We'll see you next time.